Alfa Laval Zhoushan Front Service Center, located in Liuheng Island of southern Zhoushan, is established in an area where shipyards are clustered, providing rapid and convenient service and one-stop solution for vessels from all over the world. The Alfa Laval Front Service Center can provide reconditioning and repair service for gasket plate heat exchangers, freshwater generators, as well as arranging service for high-speed separators, boilers, and other equipment, ensuring your equipment is in excellent performance consistent with its initial state. Years of use can be wiped away with our advanced reconditioning of gasket plate heat exchangers and freshwater generators. By using of professional technologies such as removing glue with liquid nitrogen, chemical cleaning, ultraviolet dye check, and high-temperature curing, we can restore the plate to its original performance without any damage. Alfa Laval China has 6 service centers in Kunshan, Jiangyin, Yangjiang, Zhoushan, Shenyang, and Hong Kong. Nearly 100 service engineers can provide excellent repair and maintenance service, covering the entire product life cycle, from startup, support, maintenance to improvement, and performance monitoring. No matter which city or port you are located, just email Alfa Laval on mpe@alfalaval.com to acquire the rapid service. Together with Alfa Laval, you never sail alone.